perspective, had different inputs. That's the first of the 5. The second is just being in a hurry. We call it the need for speed. There's this kind of modern phenomenon that I call the microwave mindset. People want to press a bloody button and have things happen. And sometimes there's a cycle, sales cycle, or or customer cycle, or whatever it is, doesn't matter. Yeah. There's that expression that you can't be half pregnant, and you certainly can't be. And pregnancy has a term. It takes time. You can't just press a button and have the baby pop out. Yeah. So thus it is in business, as it is in life. Some things take time. So the third thing is what Alan Greenspan, who was the chairman of the Fed, called in the 90s irrational exuberance. We call it the thrill of the chase. So it's being mindful, if you like, of the broader perspective that your business sits in, and not just chasing one thing and amplifying that. That's what the thrill of the chase is all about. There are two other things to pick up. I'll actually pick the last one first, because I've just kind of alluded to it, and that is we call it no spare toilet roll. It's a situation no one wants to be in, and it just literally means running out of cash. It's a cash flow problem. That expression that turnover is vanity, profit is sanity, and cash is king. It's a massive thing to take into business, particularly small, like in the short stay industry, some small businesses where these things are the lifeblood of the business, frankly. So just making sure that the cash continues to flow is kind of key. The final thing we call, with a dutiful nod to Wallace and Gromit, we call the wrong trousers, and that is showing up as the wrong personality or job type for your business. Your business needs, I don't know if any of the guys have read Michael Gerber's E-Myth or E-Myth Revisited. Yeah, great book. I was very privileged to see Mike deliver that in Sydney when he launched E-Myth way back in the 90s. Great book. But one of the things that Michael left out of that was leadership. There are 4 key personalities that your business needs. It needs a leader, it needs an entrepreneur, which is kind of key. It needs a manager to take care of the day-to-day, and it needs a technician. Guess what most people turn up as in their business? They turn up as the technician, because that's what they do and that's what they're comfortable with. But running a team, you need leadership and you need to be the manager.
So we had a 1-star review, and it was simply because of the water. Depending on what floor you're on, the water is at different levels, and the top floor is where we suffered the most. It's the way that the building was created. It's due to where things are being placed. But basically, when you are in the shower, it's either extremely hot, or it's freezing cold, or it's a trickle. And again, if anybody was to